Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know my channel, it is Kaylin's Fun House. And today I am going to make some clear slime. So I am going to add in the clear glue. You have to let it sit so it can actually be clear, because first after you activate it, it won't be clear. So you have to let it sit for a few days, and then it might be clear. So you set it out to let the bubbles out, and so to let the bubbles out. And when the bubbles are out, it's like clear like this, like it is right now. So I'm going to start activating it. And so it looks pretty good. I just touched the glue. And I'm going to activate it. I got some Stapler. I'm going to put it a little some more. So it looks like it's not clear when you first put it on, but once you start mixing it, look what's happening. It's like it's going. Look at it right now. There's bubbles. Right here, look at it. So it's turning into slime, but there's bubbles. And he put some more activator. Whoopsies, I think I over-activated it. Oh no! Oh, I might need a new one. It fell in.
Hey, Caitlin.
Thank you. So my dad just got me a paper towel. So I'm going to have the paper towel wrapped around, and I'm going to mix. It looks like it is a lot, but it's not actually a lot. And it's turning into slime. I might need some more because it is like not getting over here. And it's not getting in some places. And I guess you see how it's bubbly and it's not activated yet. So I see you guys when it is finished. I said I will see you guys when I finish. Ooh. Sometimes people cut. Look how many bubbles there are.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go in my hands.
Okay.
Oh. At least I got a hand open. Daddy? That's good, that's good, that's good.
You can put the spatula over on the plate so it doesn't fall in again.
cake mixer and I am mixing it. It says that this is a hand use and it's taking a while. It's mixing. Oh, it's on the cake mixer. And it is pretty loud. So it's not so loud. As you see what it looks like right now, there's tons of bubbles, so it's pretty white. But once it's mixed, when we pour it out and spread, the bubbles will go away, and it will be clear, but it might take a few weeks. So we don't know what it's going to look like once we finish it, and we don't know what it's going to look like when it is clear. So we will see you guys when it's finished. Well, as you see here, we used this mixer and we got the slime out of here and we put it in here. And as you see, it's really stretchy. And look what I'm doing. It could do. We added in some more activator, and it's not that bad sticking to me because I can whip it off and just put it back in without sticking to my other hand. So as you see, look, voila, it goes back into the slime, and you just stretch it, but it just sticks to you again. We're going to take it out of the bowl and put it in the other container and let it sit there. Oh, it's sticking to me. So I'm finishing getting out of the bowl, and once I finish, I'm going to move the bowl out of the way and move this back up close to me. And I think I'm getting all the big chunks, but the stuff on the sides might not come off so easily. So I'm going to get the big chunks off, not the stuff on the side, because this might take a long time to get all it off the slides. So it's going to be a while to get it off of the sides. So I'm going to move that out of the way and get this. Okay.
Okay.
And here it is. So, and it looks light because it's full of bubbles, but when you stretch it, you can see the bubbles. Yep. When the longer it sits, the bubbles will start coming out, and it takes a few weeks. So once it's finished, it will be, once the bubbles are fully out, there will be no bubbles. So we're going to let this sit, and we're going to come back when it is finished in a few days. Bye, see you in a few days. Thanks. I'm back, and from using Elmer's glue, got a little bit of color. But when you stretch and look, you can see actually there's like no color, because look what it looks like when you stretch it. And I do like it. It's not sticky. You can stretch it, and it's pretty cool. It is clicky like all the slime is normally, and we use because it sticks to you. So as you see, it's not so clear. But you can make bubbles. Oh, that's a good bubble. No. Here's the last slime. It's probably like bigger than my other two slimes. And it does make bubbles like my purple slime does. And it just popped. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And comment down below if you subscribe.